What's good, YouTube? It's your boy BG Tech Life. As you can see, we on the desk with it, and we got something different. I want to shout out a company called Aula. They actually sent me out a keyboard. This is their new keyboard on the market, guys. This is the Aula F108 Pro Win. Now, I was looking for a dope mechanical keyboard. They actually got in contact with me when I was looking for a keyboard. So I'm like, yo, this is a blessing. So this should be a very dope unboxing, guys. I really can't wait to show y'all this keyboard. I really haven't looked at it myself. I got a special colorway, so I'm excited. But if you look at the boxes, you can see 3 modes. So you can actually do the 2.4 gigs dongle. You could do Bluetooth, or you could do wired. Mechanical keyboard, fashionable appearance, design gasket structure, RGB cool backlight effect. So definitely a dope type keyboard, guys. It's mechanical. It's got an RGB look. It's got a lot going on. So we take a look at the back, guys. This keyboard actually has 104 keys. The function key is multifunctional. Also, you can charge it at 5 volts, 1200 milliamps. It is a Type C charging keyboard. Definitely, you're getting 32 hours of battery life with the default lighting effect. And if you turn the lights off, you can get 76 hours of battery life. So you guys know I kind of be working on my desk setup on and off. I've been on my desk a lot more. And I also need a keyboard that works with a dongle because I'm between my MacBook and my work PC. So this has everything I need, and I believe it just has the just right enough personality for me. So let's get this thing out the box. So we're gonna slide it out like so. Now this is gonna be a dope unboxing, guys. Let's open it up. Take a look here. As you can see, we got the keyboard. We got some paperwork. Now we're gonna lift up on the plastic here. Now as y'all can see, we got like a diagram of the keyboard. We got the LCD. We got the actual knob that works with the RGBs. We got another RGB light. We got some switches. We got the on and off. We got the port for the Type C. And also we have some indicators for caps lock, and the Windows button. Also, now that I'm rocking out with the mechanical keyboards, I'm gonna need to keep less stuff like this. I'm super familiar with the keyboard, guys, but it's in case I change the actual keycaps or change the switches on this thing, I need something like this to actually know what's going on and where to put all my keys at. Now let's take a look, guys. I'm gonna get this keyboard out, look at it. Your boy BG went with red, and this looks very dope. This is very hard body. It definitely has some heft to it. It lets you know it's quality. Definitely, it's got some internals going on. But yeah, this is it, guys. This is the look that I was going for. I had a little mechanical keyboard. It didn't have enough buttons for me. It didn't have the directional or the number pad. I needed all of that when I'm working and doing things. I need all of this over here. It was just like a smaller mechanical keyboard, but this is a full-on mechanical RGB beast of a keyboard here, guys. Shout out to Aula. Definitely loving the way that this look. There's nobody rocking this keyboard right now in the tri-state. I'm looking very different. I love to have stuff like this in the background of my videos and things of that nature. And my desk setup is just becoming A1, guys. So here goes the LCD in the knob. Back here, this is where we actually cut it on. You can plug a Type C up. You could cut it on and off, and you could use this wireless dongle also. And we have 2 levels of steps. So that's all the way up. Then we could flip it like that. So that's definitely dope, guys. And nice rubber feet all around. But like I said, this is the F08 100 Pro. And that red colorway, I definitely want to do something different and eye-catching, made in China. Now, guys, this is dope. Look at this combination of actually this knob. Listen to the knob. Very dope, very tactile, and a nice smooth scroll with a click. I'm loving this button. And look at this screen, guys. You can't tell me that this keyboard is not fly. You got so many options. I could change the language, the brightness, the speed, the effects. So we got all kind of effects for the actual keys and things of that nature. As I change the effects, I'm changing the color. I'm changing the way that the actual RGBs light up in the background. Very, very dope. So let's just take a look at some of these effects. So definitely had to cut the lights off to show y'all some different effects. And look at the light party, guys. Different lights, lighting up. Everything looks really dope. The backlit RGB looks very fly to me. Like, honestly, it's like a party inside the keyboard. I think this is definitely what I was looking for. So I'm a more solid color guy. So I probably 9 times out of 10 rock with this like a dark blue or teal or something like that. I already have, yeah, like that bluish, greenish, static. I think I'm gonna pick one color though. I'm gonna pick one color and just rock with one color. But as you can see, it's so much you can do with this keyboard as far as the looks. But then at the same time, you're getting so much quality. It's a keyboard with some nice heft, quality keycaps. I love the way it actually sounds as far as the switches go. Definitely a serious upgrade to my desk setup. So I put the mic next to the keyboard so y'all can hear how the switches sound. I like this. It's got a little bass to it. It's like a full sounding switch. As you can see, I'm getting my backlights, guys. So I have to get everything set up how I want it. I'm probably gonna want to go with like this blue is already dope because I got a lot of blue in here already. A lot of blue LED going on. But as you can see, we got some dope branding going on. Aula with the RGB screen. Very dope keyboard. So I can't wait to actually get into this thing and put my personal settings in it. I'll put a link down in the description to their website because this is a very dope keyboard, guys. And I have to go through a lot of features and check this thing out. So it's your boy BG Tech Life. Shout out to Aula for sending this out to let me check it out. And like I feel like this is a dope mechanical keyboard, not too overdone, not too RGB-ish, not tacky at all. But as you can see, look at the color schemes that they're coming up with. Look at the switches. Look at the keycaps. Nice white keycaps. Nice red text. I mean, I'm loving this combination here. Let me know what you think down in the comments section. Very quality. A keyboard that definitely has some personality to it.